What's up, everybody? Minnesota Shooter here. Went to the range last night with my wife. Did some plinking with her 22s. My new Walther P22 I put the video up for. That was fun to shoot. But I also shot for the first time the Silver Bear 9mm. I've shot the Silver Bear for my AKs before and it performed very well. I have recently stopped using steel cased ammo in 9mm because it doesn't feed well in the magazines. And I got this as part of that trade to get the Ruger 9mm back. And I must say the Silver Bear stuff, which is got like a nickel plating over the steel. Does it actually say? It is zinc plated casing. Focused. Made in Russia, 9x9. This side say same thing, repeated. Warning, we'll go boom. Cool. Oops. There we go. So, yeah, it ran flawlessly. So, until I start my reloading, which I still have 1,000 rounds, probably about 1,500 worth of brass that I'm going to shoot through and then save the brass. But for an inexpensive option, the Silver Bear zinc plated steel fed awesome. I know, was it, somebody online I was chatting with about that, the steel did not feed well whatsoever. Dang, I can't remember who it was. But this stuff fed perfect. Shot perfect. I'll put a video up of me shooting some of it through the Beretta here, and then I shot the other 60 rounds or so through the, or 40 rounds actually, sorry, through the Ruger P95, and the Silver Bear performed pretty much perfect. It was perfect. 100 rounds without any issues. Even when I was putting it in the mags, they went in smooth. I felt like I was loading brass, not that crappy Wolf toll ammo, which functions fine. It just doesn't feed well in some magazines. Pulling out the Beretta, the 90mm, Beretta 92. Going to be shooting some Silver Bear. It's actually Russian steel-cased ammo, but they put like a nickel plating or something over it. Feeds way better in the magazines than your Wolf or tool ammo, or whatever the hell it's called. So if it shoots well, it might be an inexpensive option. If you don't reload, it might be an inexpensive option. There, that's a little better, you know?
center target's open.
It shot pretty well. No problems. That was
I'm holding it, and I'm getting real close.
close to 100 rounds. I'm going to do the rest of it in the Ruger P95 in a little bit here.